Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Steph. Today I'm coming to you all with a healing and glowing part 2 skincare routine. So make sure y'all keep watching. Before you keep watching though, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will be coming to you all more often with product reviews, first tries. Yeah, we're gonna let that bite down and go. But yes guys, I will be doing product reviews, first tries, skincare routines, things like that. Again, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button, okay y'all? All right, let's get right into it. Let's not keep talking. Hey guys. All right y'all, so first we are starting with this cleanser here. This cleanser right here, as you all see, this is the Face Facts Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex. It has no actives inside. It states it has 5 ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. This does definitely deeply cleanses, and it is really good for sensitive skin. And again, it has no active. So if you're healing your skin barrier, I would suggest either this one or the hydrating. I was initially trying to get the hydrating, but it was out of stock. Just had to get on my little puppy because she's trying to bite my mic. Girl, film back up. All right, so not in the bathroom. So we're going to, and as you all see, it's a pretty big bottle too. But the liquid is very clear. It's like a gel type of consistency. I had to put some water in there because but this is how it goes. So this is how I start off the routine. A gentle cleanser. Now it can definitely dry you out if you don't go right in with your next product after you're done. Do I do this for a minute? Sometimes I don't. Just a simple cleanser. All right, going to wash it off. Be right back. All right, y'all. So I just came back from rinsing that off. It's already drying. As you all see, it's already drying because it's a process with filming, okay? So the next thing that I am going to do is this nice little, this is called the Propolis Synergy Toner. I love this stuff. This one and the Acewell Toner is like my 2 favorite ones. This has honey extract and propolis extract. It's really good. I usually use this with a cotton pad and it does get up dirt. I'm gonna let y'all know it does get up dirt, but I don't have cotton pad on me right here, right now, and I've already started filming. So I'm gonna show you the other way I use it, which is straight to the palm or straight to the face. But I'm gonna put it on my palm and then just put it on the face. A very good hydrating toner. Very exceptional for damaged skin barrier that needs some hydration, because that's what the skin barrier needs when it is healing itself. It needs good hydration. Get that neck and that chest. But it needs good hydration and repair actives or repair type of ingredients. So I wouldn't say actives. Don't. Right now I'm trying not to, I'm really keeping actives to a minimum. And I'll be doing a repair video letting you know how to repair skin. And yeah, so that was the Be Propolis, or the Full Fit from CosRx Synergy Toner. Doesn't sting, doesn't burn, leaves a nice glowy type of look. That's that. The next thing that I usually go with is this here. This is the premium Hada. Now everybody calls it Hada Labo. I guess it's in Chinese or Japanese. Hada Labo Gokajoin Premium Hyaluronic Lotion. This is really good. Has 7 hyaluronic acids in it. No actives. So we're gonna seal that in with this here. I just usually put it on my palms too, and I just dab it on. You can also pat it in. I really love this. Y'all make sure y'all check out my video. I think I posted it. It's either a short or something, but I go over it more extensively on what it does for my skin and how I like it. So check out my little review. If I remember, I'll put it up here. All right, so that's that. Next step is this here. This is the 5% niacinamide and zinc serum. And the reason why I got the 5% is because 10%, I kept hearing that 10% was way too much for a lot of people. And since my skin has been a little under the weather, I was like, when I seen the Nature Spell gave or has this 5% niacinamide serum, I was like, let me check it out. And I really like it. Now this one I do just put on my face, a few drops. And I just use this in the daytime. I really like this stuff here too, y'all. It really minimizes my pores. It gets my sebum in order as far as like the oil control. But y'all, let me really put y'all on to what really has been helping me. Y'all make sure y'all check out this review that it's either posted or going to be posted. This right here, been using this for the last maybe 3 days, just got it. this is the truth. This is it. This has really been helping to heal my repair. Well, first off, to the Most High, he gonna heal me every time, so he gets the thanks first. But this is next, okay? This right here, in the last 3 days, I see the difference in what it's doing to my skin. But again, y'all check out my review on this product. This is Holy Grail for damaged and sensitive skin. You want to repair your skin? This. Next is, so we just did cleanser, toner, an essence, and then I did my serum. And then the next thing is, and y'all try to keep it real simple. I know a lot of people be having 10-step, 15-step skincare routine. You don't need all that. Next thing I'm using to lock everything in is this Advanced Snail Mucin all-in-one cream. My thing has been messing up, y'all, because I show this a lot of love. I really love the texture. It reminds me of the Neutrogena water gel. I used to love that back when I lived in the States. And they sell that here, but I wanted to try something different. So this is what I got, and it really reminds me of that. Take a little bit on my hand. No need to over-consume on products, guys, especially when you're doing layers of things. Make sure y'all check out my review on this, or I don't have a review. I need to do one. But I do have a short on this of me putting it on, but you see me putting it on here, so. But I'll also be doing a review on that, so. Make sure you subscribe so when I do my review, y'all see it. You can see if I like it. You can see if it's worth the try, worth the buy. But yes, we put that on. I really love it. Really, really love it. It soaks right in. Like I said, don't overuse anything because anything can be too much. So that's that. Always get that neck, that chest, ears as well. I like to seal everything in with this here from Face Facts. Now y'all see I use the Face Facts cleanser. Good stuff, but I'm also going to seal everything in with this moisturizing gel cream. It also has 5 ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and oats. And you only need a little bit, right? You only need like a little bit. No, you need a little more than that. About this much. That's how much you need. And I just sealed that all in. And I'm going a little fast here because my camera is just like tripping. Like the battery is not. I really love that cream too because it really locks in everything. It's also a great moisturizer, but I see it works well when you already have a moisturizer on and it sinks really good into the skin. But when you just put it on dry skin, it can kind of sit on your skin. So I would just say, and just use it with other things that it's very hydrating and moisturizing. Okay, as y'all see. Now, usually I would just let all that sink in. But the last thing that I use in my healing and glowing is sunscreen, guys. You gotta have you a little sunscreen. This is the Biore sunscreen, and this is, don't try not to use too much because this stuff is thick. Girl, you don't need all that. They say 2-hand rule or 2-finger rule, girl. So I'll just rub it all in. Again, it's so thick. Like I said, I wouldn't dare do 2 fingers of this because it's really thick. It's not very, it's like a thick gel. Very watery though at the same time when you're putting it on, like it feels hydrating. Well, it is thick, but it sinks right in. That the Biore and then the Nivea Super Gel. I love that stuff too. So I'm gonna let that absorb. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I am back. So yes, this is the healing and glowing routine part 2 or number 2 because I have 2. Check out the first one. It's a short. This one is more of the in-depth review of some of the products as I was going along using them, but you see the glow. My skin is definitely improving as well, guys. Again, I will be coming to you all how to repair skin damage. It will have a short story on how I even got to this point myself, okay? So if you want that tea, make sure you check out my video for that. But yes, guys, that was about it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below and I will talk to you soon. Make sure you subscribe because I got some more reviews, more product tryouts, first impressions are coming. And yeah, let's heal our skin together, girls. Also, I do content on micro locks. All right, talk to y'all soon.